Today we're going to learn how to convert from base 2 to base 10 and then from base 10 to base 2, back and forth. So let's start from base 2 to base 10. So we have 1 1 0 1 1 base 2. I want to convert to base 10. Now the first method is the expanded form method because we're going to solve this using two methods. You try to learn either the two of them or any one that is more clear to you. So the expanded form method, we're going to try to expand this base 2 number in the power of its base by distributing the powers starting from the right to the left. So from the right we have 0 raised to power 0, raised to power 1, raised to power 2, raised to power 3, and then raised to power 4. If the base 2 digits are, if there are more digits, then you keep increasing the powers to get to the end. So that's just the sequence. So we start from this first one now, from left to right now. So that one is, we have 1 there, 1 times, because of this base 2 we're multiplying by 2, then to the power 4 for the first one, raised to the power 4, plus we continue going, 1 times 2 to the power 3 there, plus the next number there is 0, so that's 0 times 2 to the power 2 there, plus the next one is 1 times 2 to the power 1, and then finally we have 1 times 2 raised to the power 0. So 1 times 2 to the power 4 is still 2 to the power 4. 1 times 2 to the power 3 is 2 to the power 3. Now 0 times 2 to the power 2 is going to cancel because 0 multiplying anything is still going to give you 0. And then we have 2 to the 1, and we have 2 raised to the power 0. 2 raised to the power 4, please don't make the mistake of doing 2 times 4. It's 2 multiplying itself 4 times, so we have 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8, and then 8 times 2 is 16, so we have 16 there, we have 8, we have 2, and 2 raised to the power 0 is 1, like I've already said in the previous videos on indices. So finally now 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 16 is 26, and then 26 plus 1 will give you 27, so we have 27 base 10 there. So that is it for the first method. Let's try the second method, which is the continuous multiplication method. So we have 1 1 0 1 1 base 2. Now in this method we're going to start by multiplying the first digit there by 2, and then subsequently we add the other values there as we keep multiplying. So we start from that. 1 times 2 is equal to, it's going to give us 3, it's going to give us 2. Let me do away with that. It's going to give us 2, and then we're going to add the next value there, which is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Now that's the first step. We just multiplied the first digit by 2, and then we started adding the other one. We got 3. Now this is our 3. We'll start the process again. So it's going to be 3 times 2 now. It's going to give us 6, and then we're going to add the next value there, which is 0. 6 plus 0 is still 6. So let's continue somewhere here. So we have 6 there. We continue multiplying by 2 again. 6 times 2 is 12. And then we're going to add the next value there, which is 1. So 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. We start again. 13 multiplied by 2, that should give us 26. And then finally now 26, we add the next one. 26 plus 1 now should give us 27. Nothing left, so that's our final answer, 27 base 10. So you see, either method you're still going to get 27 base 10. So I think it's very clear. Let's attempt one more question. Alright, so let's say we have 1 1 0 0 1 1 base 2. Now using the first method, let's distribute the powers from 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now the first one is going to be 1 times 2 raised to the power 5 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 4 plus 0 times 2 to the third plus 0 times 2 to the power 2 plus, then we come there, you have 1 times 2 to the power 1, and then plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 0. So we have 2 raised to the power 5 there, plus 2 raised to the power 4, Now 0 times anything is still going to give you 0, so this will cancel and this will also cancel there. So we have 2 raised to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 0, and that's going to be equal. 2 raised to the power 5 is 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 now is 32. So we have 32 plus 16 plus 2 and plus 1, because 2 to the power 0 is 1. So let's do 32 plus 16 is going to give us, that's 46, 48. So we have 48 there. 48 plus 2 is 50, 50 plus 1 is 51. So finally we have 51 base 10 as our answer. So let's try solving using the next method. This is 0 1 1 base 2. So we start multiplying from the first one. We have 1 times 2 is going to give us 2, and then we're going to start adding. 2 plus 1 is 3. We go again. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus the next value there is 0. 6 plus 0 is still 6. So we have 6 again multiplied by 2 now, and that's 12. So 12 plus the next value there is 0. That's 12 plus 0 is still 12. We go again. 12 times 2 is going to give us 24, and then 24 plus 1, because the next value there is 1, is 25, and then we have 25 times 2 is going to give us 50, and then 50 plus, we have 1 there. 50 plus 1 is equal to 51. Nothing left, so that's our final answer, 51 base 10. So if you're using any of the method, you're still going to get the same answer. So very clear. Let's try converting from base 10 to base 2 now, no longer base 2 to base 10. Alright, if you want to convert from base 10 to base 2, you're just going to keep dividing by 2, writing down the remainder each time. It's very easy to convert from base 10 to any other base. You just keep dividing by the required base, but because of we are converting from base 10 to base 2, we divide by 2, writing down the remainder each time. So let's say we want to convert 75 base 10 to base 2. So it's going to be equal to, write 75, and then we're going to try dividing 75 by 2. Okay, so 2 divided by 7 is going to give us 3 remainder 1. 2 divided by 15 is going to give us 7 remainder 1. So you see that arrow there stands for the remainder. So in general, 2 divided by 75 will give you 37 whole number remainder 1. That's why I have it there. We continue. 2 divided by 3 is 1 remainder 1. 2 divided by 17 is 8 remainder 1. 2 divided by 18 is 9 remainder 0, nothing left. 2 divided by 9 is 4 remainder 1. 2 divided by 4 is 2 remainder 0. 2 into 2 is 1 remainder 0. And then 2 into 1, it can't go, so you just write 0 remainder 1. So whenever you get to the step where you divide up to 1, just kind of push the 0 to the left and then 1 to the right. So if you have gotten to this final point, you now read your answer from bottom to top. You're going to take it this way. So finally there we have from bottom now. So we have 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 base 2 as our final answer. Now you don't call this 1 million, you call it one after the other. 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 base 2. Alright, very clear. So let's solve one more problem there. So we have 55 base 10, want to go to base 2. It's going to be equal to, we have 55. divided by 2. So 2 divided by 5 there is 2 remainder 1. 2 into 15 is 7 remainder 1. So that's what we have. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 into 7 is 3 remainder 1. 2 into 13 is 6 remainder 1. 2 into 6 is 3 remainder 0. 2 into 3 is 1 remainder 1. And 2 into 1 is 0 remainder 1. Again, we take from bottom to top, and then the final answer is 1 1 0 1 1 1 base 2. So you see, it's very simple. So if you have any question, you can feel free to drop it in the comment section, and even if it's not from this video, I can still look at it and address bring answers to the question maybe in the next video. So thank you for joining in. Do well to subscribe. God bless you.